that, then you have to select accordingly and select this checkbox. So right now I am looking for Nifty data for 1 day time resolution, and I am just downloading data from 2010 to till today, and I click it this way. So now it is going to caching all this data from file system to software's memory, so that it can run very fast. Otherwise it will take a lot of time, and it is not good like if you run a lot of query and it takes a lot of time. So that's why we have cached this data for faster response. So it is very fast, so just it takes some seconds to download and cache it. So but you can do other work also, because it works in a thread, and then other thing can be done meanwhile. So we have downloaded it now. Then click on execute IGS query. So it will take some time. If any of the stock is not downloaded, then it may take time. So we will see the result like this. So basically that way you can run any type of query, you can write your query. So now let's say we have got this result where we are looking like all the stocks were sorted. If you want to sort in negative order, you can do it. Right now it is in the descending order, so all the changes we can see it. Now let's say if you want to sort this, like let's say you just want the stocks whose price or change is up. So what we can do is we can write like where diff 0 is greater than 0. So what it will do is basically sort out all the stock, only those stock is going to be shown whose price, whose monthly change is in positive. And now again click on the execute SQL. So only the stocks which are in up are being shown. So now if this result we want to put it, if we want to put it as a add result to tree, like what it is going to do is going to create a new category for you with this result. So you can click it here. Category name should be maybe up stock in month, like that, then add it. And if you see up stock in month is added, all the stocks are available there. So then you can click it and you will see that stock. Now if you want to see any stocks graph, you just click it here, and that stocks graph is going to be open. So that way you can do directly, you can see exactly how that stock is performing. So same way you can do a lot of other thing. Basically you can write a big formula here, instead of if you have a formula like which has 5 or 6 line or like this thing, then also you can do it. I will show some of the formula. If let's say this Cambril pivot point formula, what it do is basically it shows the pivot point, daily pivot point, which you can use it for your trading. So this formula is very big formula. If you see it, this formula, then you will know it. Basically it is using internally one more formula called Cambril pivot point, which is basically put it into the library directory. So you can directly call like that, but we are not going to go in those detail. It is just a simple learning that thing. So let's say I am just writing a very simple new formula. I click it here. In the new formula, just write select, let's say symbol, open, close. For today's date you don't need to put it into the bracket. If it is day before today, then you have to put it like high 0. It is exactly same thing. So this is a very simple formula which is I am writing for you, and then click it here, and then you will see it like that. Let's say same type of formula, if I want to use it, if I want to download file as a CSV, then also I can do it. Click it here, then it will create a CSV file which you can save it. So that way you can do it, so which is very useful, like to see it into the Microsoft Excel. You can do it. Let's say you are not comfortable writing that way and you just want to write some simple formula, then you can use this window. Then let's say I just want to write a formula for getting high price, add it. So, and I also want to do a it is just to get any condition. If you want to do it, for that you can do it. So where high is, if you want to delete, you can delete it. So high is, let's say, greater than high minus 1. So we are just looking the stock whose today's high is greater than yesterday's high. So just put like that and copy this formula. So now you will see select symbol from table where high is greater than high minus 1. So this way you can write any condition and get your formula, and now you execute it and you will get your result. If you want to add some more column to display, you can do it. So that is very simple iGuide stocks, how to use this execute query, but it is very powerful. You can write lot of things, you can use indicators, which we will use some advanced session for that. But right now, if you open the API help, you will find all the things which can be used here, or also you can write lot of different things. So thank you for seeing this session, and we will go more detail in some other session.